You're listening to the Empowered Nation podcast for non-attorney advocates to level up in law. Let's get into it, shall we?
Welcome to Empowered Nation. I'm your host, Amelia Sutton. Let's begin. If you are fighting a case in court and the other side is lying and doing the most, and you're ready to win, Empowered Nation is for you. The fact is that corrupt cops, prosecutors, and judges target people who don't know their rights or are struggling financially. Level up in law and personal finances with Empowered Nation, and you'll never be an easy target again. In this episode, I want to talk about the number one legal tip to beat liars in court. And the liars that I'm speaking about are liars, because this is really how you can overcome the violations when it's done by the officials who are supposed to uphold the law. Let's get into it. Here's tip number one on how to beat lawyers, okay? Attorneys actually learn rules and procedures, not law. And guess who else can learn rules and procedures? You and everybody else on the face of the planet. Because we're already doing that every single day of our life, right? In every aspect of our life, we learn rules and procedures every day, depending on where you have to be. Even if you're going to watch a movie at the movie theater, you can't just bust in line in front of people who are already waiting in line to purchase a ticket. All I'm saying is there are basic rules of decorum everywhere and anywhere you go when we're out in public. Well, it's the same thing for a courthouse. There are rules and procedures to follow. That's it. And yes, it's really just that simple. And that leads me to the next point, which is when you learn the rules and procedures of the court, now you're cooking with grace, because not only do you know how to operate, but you can hold everyone in that courtroom accountable to the rules and procedures of the court. Everyone, including the judge, because no man is above the law. All right.
Feeling frustrated, lost, and confused with your legal emergency? Get easy steps to protect yourself in plain language at AneliaSutton.com/free.
Okay, and to wrap this thing up in a nice, neat package, most lawyers use paint by number without digging for the tree. So all you need to do is attack their error, and there will be many errors because they are counting on you not knowing the rules and procedures of the court. But yes, all you need to do is attack their errors and you'll win. Mm-hmm. If you've been looking for a sign, this is it. You got this. You can do it. Okay, so let's recap the lessons that I talked about in this episode. Okay, so number one, you can learn the rules and procedures of the court, okay? There are no special rules and procedures that is reserved just for lawyers and attorneys. No! And judges, no. It is called equal access to justice, and that means everyone is entitled to learn the rules and procedures of the court. Now, they will give you a hard time, but keep pushing, keep moving forward. Number two, we talked about holding them accountable to said rules and procedures of the court. Well, how can you hold anybody accountable if you yourself don't know the rules and procedures? Learn the rules and procedures of the court, and you will be powerful. I'm telling you, the confidence that comes from knowing this type of legal education is powerful. And number three, attack the errors for the win. All right? You got this. That's it for today. Listen to the next episode, because I'm going to be sharing a power move to stop corrupt attorneys. Because there's no gatekeeper here. So I'm telling all the secrets they don't want you to know. Don't want to miss it. Okay. Bye for now. Thank you for listening, and be sure to tune in again. And please remember to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, because that's how we become an empowered nation.
This is thepodcastfactory.com.